In this video, we are going to see how we can make all of the YouTube videos unlisted or private at once. That means we want to bulk update all of the videos. Right now, these are all public. So instead of any single one of them, you want to head over to the YouTube studio. We click on the content, you select the videos, but that only selected the 30 videos, which is on this specific page. If you want to select all, let's say we have 200 of them, we click on select all. And then after that, you hit this edit drop down, select the visibility and select the visibility for all of the videos. We select unlisted and we click on update videos. After that, it will show you, are you sure? You're about to update the selected videos. This update cannot be stopped once it has started. I understand the implication of this action, but just make sure that you want to do this. After that, you click on update videos. It will take some time and then it will update the visibility for all of your videos and make them unlisted so that it can be only shared via link and it will not be available to the public on YouTube, and also it will not be searchable on YouTube. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.